Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I live on an island in Alaska. And I enjoy the beauty. I love to take photos, and I have 7 grandkids, and I really love working from home. And I wanted to tell you how you can have a home-based business and be successful because our business model that we launched just last week does that for you. And in fact, it solves 2 problems. It solves the problem of getting traffic and getting sales. So that is really the biggest thing about doing a home business. We have pre-qualified leads that convert into sales, and you don't have to worry about it because you don't do anything to do that. There goes the card. You don't do anything to take care of the sale because it's built in. Our system does that for you, which is incredible. And because we have incredible traffic that converts, you get the sales. So what you do is you learn how to do a business without the pressure and the hardship of trying to get the traffic and making the sale yourself. You know how that goes. It's hard. And we have that all taken care of. And what you do is tasks. Tasks that marketing gurus actually do. Things that are pretty easy, that are just about being consistent. But you don't have to worry about the sale, because it takes care of itself, and that's pretty cool. It is an incredible business model, and I really invite you to go to my link in my description on my video and check it out. You will not be disappointed. And so thank you for watching, and check it out. Bye from Alaska.